I greet the participants of the conference and offer to listen to our source result. Why did we choose this topic oxygen containing organics? Because it is mandatory to study the following classes of the organic compounds: alcohols, phenols, aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, fats, carbohydrates. According to recommendation of the Ukrainian Education Ministry for the profile level of studying chemistry at school in this topic, should be conducted 3 practical works, 5 laboratory experiments, and showed at least 18 demonstration experiments. The use of such forms of work makes it possible to study the chemical and physical properties of substance by direct observation and comparison with other compounds already known to students. Why did we choose use IT technologies? Because our country has some causes, for example, COVID-19, actualization distance learning during wartime now, and there are secondary schools that due to certain circumstances don't have the necessary equipment and reagents for quality work provided by the program. We think augmented reality use allows teachers of natural science to teach education materials with the necessary visual aids and to conduct laboratory and practical works remotely. In this situation, you can also turn to augmented reality technology and give studies the opportunity to get acquainted and gain experience in absentia with certain equipment in its absence. Why have we choose Blippar app? Because it's a mobile application that can be used for gadget based on Android and iOS. It is very easy to use, just point the camera of the working application on the appropriate marker. Also, it has an advantage in the ability to create your own marker and models that will be displayed during use. In addition to 3D models, you can add videos regular to the images, text and audio files for viewing, while the user can reproduce that we saw on any surface. The augmented reality marker type has basic requirements. For example, sufficient content of information, easy of use, clear orientation, high quality and sharpness of the image, versatility of materials. Also, it was decided to make them bright and interesting to attract the attention of students. You can see some images with profession and chemical flags. We think it visually highlights the connection to chemistry. We have put all of these augmented reality markers together in one kit called Oxygen Organic and uploaded them to Google Drive. We shot some of the necessary videos ourselves, and some of them we borrowed from YouTube video hosting. The video was created without a soundtrack, but explanation the pictures was realized through written comments. This solves another problem, namely reduce the time of the video that allows teacher using them during regular lessons lasting 45 minutes. The Blippar has two versions, free and paid. We use the free version of the Blippar app. After the implementation of our developments in the education process, a survey was conducted to analyze the effectiveness of the technology using among 10th grade students, which included open-ended questions that you see on the slide. Can I not read them? 65 students of Kryvyi Rih Secondary School's number 15 took part in the survey. According to the students' answer, we have the following results. Our method is more interesting for study chemistry. Difficult to understand elements of the topic became more understandable. Opportunity to study chemistry at home, good visualization, non-standard approach to the study of chemistry. At the same time, we have created a ready-made set of markers and clarity for lesson that will help the teacher saving time in class, opportunity to perform more experiment and practical work, a good visualization too, organization of independent work of students, saving time in preparation for lessons. Therefore, we can summarize. The Blippar platform is quite easy to use there. A chemistry teacher can create additional methodological developments without the special skills of programmer. Application of augmented reality technology in teaching chemistry in study of the topic oxygen-containing organics student likes and at the same time creates a condition for the development of their digital competences, optimizes their independent cognitive activity, improves understanding of the spatial structure of organic molecules, provides of opportunity to non-trivial explain education material, provides an opportunity to organize laboratory and practical works remotely, maintains a high level of cognitive activity of students and the opportunity to acquire relevant knowledge in the process of distance learning. Also has great prospects in teaching chemistry to students who don't have the opportunity to attend schools. Also, thanks to this technology, all students will be able to receive better education materials. That's all. Thank you for your attention and thank you for your listen my report.